Hello again, it's Noob and it's time for another little midweek bonus video. And this is me just unpacking something which is really cool. Now if you have been on my Instagram, then you might know what this is already. And if you haven't been on my Instagram, then please do go over there and check it out. I'm on Twitter as well. I think all my links are in the About section on my channel. But nevertheless, I'm really excited to see what this is in this package because I've not seen it in person, only in pictures. Now, likelihood is I put a thumbnail of this out there already. So, but like I said, for me, it's really about the unboxing of this. I don't know what it is, so you know what it's going to look like, what it's going to feel like, the underside, the overside. I need to really explore it. I can't wait. But just a bit of history behind this. So, I was on Instagram and I had a picture of some of these like prototype, very soft metal picks that I had cut, and they were brilliant because they helped me to design the multi-pick, Abona and Monith rakes. But I have loads sort of spare and you can't use them for picking, they're made of the wrong steel. And Made Perfect Studio, that's their Instagram there, said, hey, those would look great cast in something. And I said, yeah, that was a really great idea. So we got together, we planned something out, we agreed on a price. And, well, this is the results of that. This is something which we had made up using those picks. So let's, I don't know the best way of getting into this, so I'm probably just not even going to be too nice about it. But can we just appreciate the packing here? How cool is that? Look, little, it's like forest and saw stamps on a wax stamp. I also want to, oh yeah, I'll tear around them. I was going to say I don't really want to damage them. They're kind of cool. I might keep one of these little wax things. Okay, I might need to get some form of scissors. Unless I can break this, I can do it with my hands. That's all right. I'll keep that little label. That's kind of cool, isn't it? If I can. There we go. You see that better? Made Perfect Studio, and that's their Insta. Okay. And this is the first time I've seen this not in a photograph. Oh wow, just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So these picks have been cast in a river board, and they've been cast in a way in layers. So they have can you see the separation between them in their layers? To give some depth. I can't remember the colour that was used. This is a here. It's a dark, obviously a dark blue, and it's got some sparkly bits on the underside. I can't remember. Not sparkly bits. Come on, use your brain. This is not sparkly bits. It's pearlescence in it. Though you can see that. It's a really nice board as well, I have to say. Very, very smooth. Yeah, I really like that. I don't really know not exactly what I want to do with it yet. I mean, it looks awesome, but I don't really know what to do. Anyway, one thing which Made Perfect Studios did do for me, which was really sweet of them and completely unexpected, was send two, well, let's call them whiskey tumblers with the Noob symbol on. How awesome is that? So I could even use that as a place to rest my my drinks. I don't know. I just haven't decided quite yet on how I intend to use this. But it's really, really nice. I believe this is walnut, but I could be wrong. I need to go check what wood. I just know that I liked it, and it's got this kind of striping on there, like tiger striping. It's a live edge as well, which you can hopefully see there. So yeah, look at that. Just want to show those glasses off again. How cool is this? I haven't seen the underside actually. Oh yeah, the underside is just, oh, do you know what? I didn't notice that. Look, Noob branded in there as well. So this is the unfinished underside. So you can see how the, and it's got little feet on there. Oh yeah. And nice beveled edges. Yeah, I didn't see the underside, but it's really cool. There's a little a Noob brand on the back. Then you can see the cleaned and polished side there with all the picks in. Really cool. Thank you to Made Perfect Studio. Go check them out on Instagram and let me know what you think of it in the comments. Leave a comment below. I will read it. If you like this, leave a like. If you want to see content about lockpicking and locks in general, then hit subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.